The future of technology isn't just built, it's imagined, designed, applied. Where computing meets creation, a new kind of future begins. Introducing the School of Applied and Creative Computing, where innovation is a shared language. Born from Purdue's legacy of discovery, built for a world where technology and creativity converge. Here, problem solvers and storytellers work side by side. Coders become creators. Designers become engineers. Together, they redefine what's possible. In our labs and studios, learning happens by doing, all supported by project-based curriculum. Every project, a launchpad. Our graduates are shaping industries, from digital entertainment to cybersecurity, from AI to immersive design. As part of Purdue Computes, we're the engine of applied intelligence and creative impact, turning big ideas into powerful realities that move society forward. This is a new era of computing, where imagination meets intelligence. Explore, create, apply. The future of computing starts here.